Hello, I'm Penny Long with Hubert Company. Today I'm going to talk about the MILKChiller 2 by Freeling. It's a very popular item here at Hubert. So first I'm going to just unbox it for you to see how it comes. It is packed very well, so you shouldn't have any issues when you get it. Get this out of the way. You get the basic items that you need to run the unit, but you do have to purchase a starter kit determining what kind of milk product you're going to use. So I'll get into that in a minute. But it does come with your electrical supply items to be able to plug it in, the unit itself, and you get the base with the drip tray accessories. So that's the basic things that come with it. You cannot use this until you determine your milk product, how you're going to buy it in. So I'll go through those steps next. Okay, so you have your MILKChiller 2. The next thing you need to do is determine how you're going to get your dairy product in. There's several ways that you might buy it. You might buy a cardboard milk container, that's a gable top. You might buy just a plastic container from the grocery store. Or if you get milk in bulk, you could buy the reusable plastic container that is dishwasher safe. All of these are the half-gallon size. So once you determine which way you're going to go, then we need to talk about the starter kit and what all that contains. The big difference is that the different type of tops that go with the different items. So if you're going with one of the plastic containers, that starter kit would contain the top that fits onto it. So basically on a plastic container, undo the lid and put it on. But I'm going to show it what it looks like on the reusable container. So it just basically goes into the top. So that's the one component that comes with your starter kit. Within the starter kits, you can either go more an eco-friendly version, and you can use stainless steel straws that you can obviously clean. It does come with a brush to clean them. Or if you prefer not to have to clean them, you could go with a disposable plastic straw. With this option, every time you use a container of dairy, you do need to dispose of it and buy a new one because you do not want to have any contamination or anything in that. And that goes for the other plastic parts too. You get a new one of these every time you use a new container. So let me show you how the parts and components go together. So basically I'm going to show you with the stainless steel straw that goes on the bottom of the cap. You put this into your either reusable container or into one of your dairy containers. Next you take the adapter bar and put that in, and then finally the dispensing straw. And those are the components that actually dispense the product. And then to put it into the MILKChiller, it's very simple to do. It just slides right in the area. The dispensing straw comes through the whole area and fits in. And then this is the air hose that attaches, and you're ready to go. Okay, so let me just show you, if you do decide to go with one of the store-bought containers, they simply slide in the same way. It's very simple. They just go in like that. So as you can see, I have 3 of them neatly lined up. You can do a complete longer run if you like. It's so simple to lock them together because the bases simply have a locking feature on them, which holds them in place. So I love the neat appearance and how they all go together. On Hubert.com, we do have a lot more information for you because there are a lot of parts and pieces. There's a great manual that comes with the unit, but we all can agree that sometimes this manual gets replaced. So at any time, if you need to look something up, if you go to Hubert.com, the manual is downloaded there, as well as we do have a complete list of what all the different kits and components include. So use that as a resource too. Again, that was the MILKChiller 2 by Freeling. Thanks for watching and see you next time.